Hello everyone, let's look at Java BigDecimal. Alright, to solve this problem, I implemented bubble sort to kind of sort this, basically this list of, or array of numbers I should say. So the first thing I do is check if the size of the array is not equal to 1, because if it's not equal to 1, then we're going to perform operations. If it's equal to 1, that means the size, that means there's only one element in the list, so there's no sorting that has to be done. Okay. Next thing I do is just initialize the two BigDecimal objects to store numbers during comparison. The next thing I do is initialize iterators for array traversal. So my loop that I set up is going to loop indefinitely. The only time that it's going to stop is when all numbers are sorted and we have reached the end of the loop, of the array. Okay, that's what's happening here pretty much. There's other ways to implement this, but this is how I did it. So here what I do is I convert array elements to BigDecimal for comparison. This block of code here is used to compare the two BigDecimal numbers. If they're equal to -1, then we're going to do a swap. That means they're going to trade places. Then we reset the iterators. So this is using bubble sort. So an example here, 9, -100, no swapping. We move on to the next pair, -100, 50, swap. Then start from the beginning again, 9, 50. Compare 9 is less than 50, swap. So on and so forth. Yeah, pretty much if you have any questions, let me know. Happy hunting.